If you're looking for a butterscotch simple syrup recipe, you came to the right place. You need to check this out. You're gonna love it. You're gonna use it in your lattes, your cocktails, everything. Okay, so here we go. I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan butterscotch simple syrup. So easy. So here are the ingredients. 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of olive juice brine from Castelvetrano olives. Okay, let's get started. It's 1 cup of the brine from Castelvetrano olives with 1 cup of organic sugar. And that's it. That's why it's called a simple syrup. Let's just let this get to a boil. And once everything is combined and the sugar is melted, it's basically done. And then I love to use this in a latte. I'm also going to use this in a few other recipes. All right, this is basically the sugar is melted and well combined into this. And that's the joy of making a simple syrup. It takes like literally not even 5 minutes and it's ready. Just bring it up to a light boil and then I'm gonna turn it off, let it cool. I feel like I can make a caramel sauce with this. I don't know, I might test it out. But either way, this is great for cocktails and it's great for lattes for sure. My butterscotch simple syrup made from the brine of Castelvetrano olives and organic sugar. Look at this. And let me tell you, looks like butterscotch, tastes like butterscotch, was made by olives. Okay? That is amazing. I was in Healdsburg, California, which is an area of wine country. It's like the Sonoma area of wine country. And I heard about this amazing bakery called Quail and Condor, and I thought, okay, I'll go check it out. So my husband and I went early in the morning and we ordered a latte. They had this latte like written out on a chalkboard. It said dirty latte, and I asked them, oh, what's a dirty latte? Is that like a dirty chai? And they said, no, it's made with simple syrup from Castelvetrano olives. I'm like, I'll take it. And you're thinking, oh, simple syrup from Castelvetrano olives, which are these olives, must be so awful tasting. Let me tell you, it tastes like butterscotch. Anyways, so this is not my recipe. I heard about it from the bakery Quail and Condor in Healdsburg, and I just thought, when I go home, I'm gonna try making it. And it came out perfect.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.